Capcut loop video tutorial on the PC. If you find this video useful, consider subscribing to the channel. Step number 1 is to drag the video clip that you would like to loop onto Capcut PC's timeline. Step number 2 is to add a video cut. In this case, I've added a cut right here. I use B on the keyboard to access the razor tool, and then I click and then it adds a cut. Click A to deselect. So this is the portion where I'd like to loop the video because the person is running. Okay, so here's going to be the hard part. So at this portion, if I extend the video clip, you can see the person is still running, but then they stop. I'm going to add a cut right here by clicking B on the keyboard, A to deselect, and then I'll click delete. But if you don't want to do that and you just want this video to loop, then basically you want to get this effect. Click Control C and then click and do Control V. Now basically it pasted the video. And as you can see now, select delete, and then now if we drag this to the left, that's how you successfully loop a video.